for
ये एडिटिंग
constructors.
बहुत खराब बनाने वाला है. Why, welcome everyone to the Oversteer second episode. We have gone through the Australian Grand Prix already, and by कुछ भी expected जो था कुछ नहीं हुआ है, and that's the best part about it. First race of the 2025 season, and we already have a wet and dry combined race. तो भाई I am very excited about this season क्या होने वाला है. So thanks for joining. Today we have with me a lot of friends of mine from the same batch.
Yeah.
So I want to welcome all of them. We have Prakhar Saxena, Joshua Chetuyar, what's up bro, and Aditya
What's up,
Sahani.
bro?
So first I want to ask everyone, favorite team?
Mercedes.
Ferrari.
Probably McLaren.
McLaren and Ferrari. So we have two Ferrari fans. Okay. Who's your favorite driver from Mercedes?
It used to be Lewis Hamilton, but now it's the new rookie, Antonelli.
Antonelli.
I used to like Leclerc so much, but now Lewis Hamilton's in the picture.
It's like your girlfriend had a very beautiful best friend now.
Yeah.
Or what's your favorite driver?
Probably Lando Norris. I've been supporting him since his rookie years because of his YouTube channel actually. So he's been a
So
fan
you've
of
seen
mine.
all the go-karting
The
races.
quadrants, yes, the online races with Sidemen as well. It's amazing.
I'm a very big fan of Charles Leclerc. So, like, not just for the looks. I think
Of course, bro. We all gave
His
for
dog,
Leclerc.
his dog.
like this is the first guy जिसका मैंने pic save किया है. It's like bro यार क्या मस्त दिखता है. When did you guys start watching? Like how did you get into it?
Last year, I just started watching Drive to Survive, and
Hi.
Drive to Survive का तो इतना बड़ा fan बन गया ना मैं एकदम से. I don't know
Okay.
how
Like who
they-
was the person who like got you into Drive to Survive?
Prakhar.
Okay, the OG guy.
I pushed a lot of people. I have like a couple of friends. I pushed all of them into drive. So like, dekho yaar, it's like you're missing out on a very good thing in life.
When I was like maybe 4 or 5, that's when I started.
Four or
Four or
five?
Yeah.
five.
Bhai,
Dad showed me like a Schumacher race. I Schumacher, Kimi Raikkonen, and Mika Häkkinen. These guys were racing. It was a wet race too. Same like this Australian Grand Prix. So I saw that race and I got hooked.
being a kid, I
Yeah.
think you were more like कि वो पता है देखने में मजा आ रहा है kind of like the car like going from curb to curb. This is very satisfying to watch it. Like even if you are like eating or something और तुझे कुछ satisfying देखना है तो like probably तू on board camera on करके देख लेगा किसी
No,
का.
and like the V6 engine.
Bro, I missed them.
तो भाई how did you start watching?
I think grade 12 में I was in a restaurant with all my friends and they were discussing, oh, what's the race, who came first? And I was like, you know, gaadiyan hai, why not? I was like, yeah, how do you watch it? They told me it's an app. I didn't really get into that as much because once again, it was just cars going on in circles because I didn't understand the actual history of it, the way it works. And then, yes, Drive to Survive really helped me bring the knowledge.
So what year
and the
are we talking
interest.
about here?
Like grade 12, I would say.
For me, मैंने सबसे पहले मैंने जब देखा था F1 was a YouTube video about Nico Rosberg and Lewis Hamilton having a Mercedes battle in Bahrain. That was the race which got me into F1. उसके बाद मैंने एक YouTube video देखा which was a battle between Ferrari's Vettel, Sebastian Vettel versus Lewis Hamilton, and when they were in the peak era, Ferrari just upcoming
2018.
2018 हाँ exactly that one.
Yeah.
वो मैंने battle देखा and I was like भाई this is something else I want to follow. And then I think 2018 end या 2018 mid में ही Drive to Survive आया.
Yes.
So like they just like continued कि हाँ ये हुआ ये just देखा and like क्या how did you feel about the race? Like what was your key moments? तुझे क्या लगा?
I think, first of all, seeing 5 new rookies in an F1 season, especially last season, we saw McLaren's performance. They're catching up to Red Bull shortly.
There are 6 ones.
6 rookies.
Huh?
Fernando Alonso.
I think I think you forgot this Lawson. He's actually had just 10 races.
But anyways, jitne bhi rookies, 5, 6, I was excited to see them because a lot of the rookies came into very powerful cars. And for them to handle that would be a challenge, especially because I don't know how long they had to practice with it. And upar se wet race and like all the DNFs and seeing Alpha Tauri in Q3, marvelous. Because this time it's not just Red Bull dominating. It's like a 3-way battle with Red Bull, McLaren and Merc. Expecting Ferrari and Hamilton to do wonders, जो इस race में नहीं हो पाया, but we'll expect to see more in the coming races. But yeah, I think that was one of my favorite reasons. I stayed up all night watching the race. And like Sainz was just so unlucky that वो एक like strip of paint गीला था and he just spun out. I cried. I was like, क्यों भाई? Like safety car के अंदर कौन spin out होता है यार?
it would have
No,
been
no.
epic
Yeah.
अगर वो फरारी से ऊपर होता, especially Hamilton से. Oh my god.
I feel like if he did not spun out, he would have beat Hamilton
I feel so as well.
because he was already P10 and Hamilton finished P10.
पर actually main point was कि why Ferrari lost, ठीक है. ये ड्राई एंड वेट कंबाइंड रेस था. तो व्हाट हैपेंस इन ड्राई एंड वेट कंबाइंड में कि इफ इट्स वेट, तो अगर कंप्लीटली वेट है देन इंटर्स एंड वेट्स पे वो लोग स्विच करते थे. देयर इज 1 or 2 स्टॉप्स मैक्स. बट जब भी ड्राई और वेट कंबाइन आता है देयर आर मल्टीपल पिट स्टॉप्स एंड दैट्स वेयर स्ट्रैटेजी like helps the most. And we all know by
Ferrari
Ferrari
strategists.
strategists. I have a question for all of you. What are the top respectful moments for this Australian Grand Prix for you guys? There was another moment. I guess Piastri
I was just going to say that.
following
yeah.
Lando Norris and being that close to an overtake. And तभी McLaren ने team order दे दिया,
Huh.
which is a very sad thing.
When he spun out and he was on the grass, him coming back, you know how much effort he put, because now these cars they just don't come out of the grass that easy. But he put like 3-4 minutes just to get out from there because he wanted to stay in his home Grand Prix and not just DNF.
And he was told to box,
Yeah.
by the way.
And after that,
Yeah.
after being 1 lap behind, सेफ्टी कार, हाँ उसका नसीब था, सेफ्टी कार हुआ. बट आफ्टर दैट ही मेड 5 ओवरटेक्स और वो 8th हायर पोजीशन में.
Yeah.
He got 2 points because of which McLaren are currently at the top.
Top 27.
Because हाँ with 27 points, even though Mercedes भी 27 पे है, but still those 2 points still mattered and he made it worth to get out of the grass as well.
Never
Piastri, I
give up
feel like
attitude.
upcoming बहुत favorite superstar होगा, just because I feel like he has to some extent the same mentality as Verstappen, that winning mentality, the ability to stay on track once you get box orders. Like, come on, man.
I
And
don't
then you do overtakes and you come P8. It's just the cherry on the top.
Okay, I have a question. Do you think that Lando Norris could actually be like the next Verstappen, like the next world champion?
I think he'll be a world champion. I don't think he'll be a reigning world champion
Yeah.
like Verstappen.
I don't think he has that mindset.
Yeah.
With F1, I've seen the driver's mindset matters more than their skill, mostly.
You need to be an asshole to win.
Yeah, Verstappen का winner mindset है बिल्कुल ही. I remember there was a race last season. He was P1. He had like a 20 second like head start on everybody.
And then he boxed
Yeah,
and
then
to
he
get the extra
yeah,
fastest lap point.
To get the extra fastest lap point. He had no reason to do that. एक point से कुछ नहीं होता उसका, but he wanted to take that from, I think that was Checo's point, I think. Yeah, or
It
Lando
was
Norris's.
Checo's point originally.
Yeah.
Checo came very low.
I think that's just pure dominance.
Yeah.
कि भाई I'm the king.
That's why I think that Oscar Piastri could be like a Verstappen.
because
like
he has that
said.
mindset
Yeah.
and the speed.
And honestly, मुझे तो लगा था जब मैं last year McLaren देख रहा था, I wasn't even thinking of Oscar Piastri. Then in every quali, he's either P2, he's always staying podium or near podium. And mostly even doing better than Lando Norris for quali. I think he just needs a little bit more of a push from McLaren. I think because right now, I think Lando is the favorite driver and Oscar is not getting that, you know.
I mean,
that
Lando
treatment.
is team leader. He's been with McLaren for what, like 6 years now?
I know the reason why he's pushing so much in the first race, because अगर वो first race जीत जाता, तो that just sets the tone of the entire वो.
Yeah.
Because at the end they can't just let the racing happen. कभी ना कभी उन लोगों को बोलना पड़ेगा भाई back off now, just let the other person win.
Yeah.
And if you are winning the world championship points in the points at that moment, तो तुझे favor मिलेगा. तो first race was very critical for him and he was showing it. भाई कि जो जैसे वो follow कर रहा था entire thing को, that was just like beast mode. And we already saw the great legendary Ferrari moment with Charles Leclerc
Must be
and
the
Lewis
water.
Hamilton. By
Leave me
jo
to it, please.
absolute crazy moment from Charles Leclerc. इतना calmly बोला. Let's just add it to the words of wisdom. Oh my. And that guy is driving at 300 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, how
उसको
do you
better.
even do that?
Like, who hires these engineers? Yeah, मुझे ये
So, bhai, according to you all, for the Australian Grand Prix, who was the driver of the day?
Antonelli.
Andy Neri? Okay.
Rookie race P4.
Yeah.
And और एक चीज था कि he was the only rookie driver who actually finished the race, but not even finished, but he went to
Scored
P4.
points, yes.
हाँ.
यार ये मैं बोलने वाला था यार.
तू Albon ले ले.
ठीक है, Albon.
I would say Lando. Like from start to finish, very like good race, concentrated throughout the race. He had like ups and downs, like on that turn where both Lando and Oscar they lost their traction, but he kept the school, somehow managed it. And like in the start, he had a really good start. how he just cuts off Max so well. So perfect. And if you see, after the first chicane, he loses traction again. But he was so composed he just took it ahead. Took such a big lead.
Especially he broke the curse of Max overtaking him in first turn. So I
Yeah.
think that was nice. I was just expecting. I was like, yeah, Max.
Yeah,
is
but
gonna
even
take
the
him
last
again.
lap, he was again so composed. Like Max Verstappen's on your ass and you are so composed.
Yeah, especially when
Yeah.
Max did
Yeah.
not pit. I was like, fuck, kya hua ye? Like Lando, Oscar both pitted and Max is still out there. Shit, he's
Oscar
gonna gain
pitted
a
on the
lead.
grass, bro.
Yeah, he just put it on the ground.
And like damn, bro. Like Max is gonna take the lead again. It's the same old. But no, he caught up. So it's nice. Yeah.
हाँ भाई, what was the driver of the day according to you?
I was gonna say Antonelli, but
नहीं
that's
ये
just-
सेम रख सकते हो भाई, कोई बात
मेरे
नहीं.
हिसाब से एंटीनेली भाई, बिकॉज रुकी है एंड रुकी ने इतने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया एंड लाइक यू सेड ही वाज ओनली लाइक he was the only rookie who actually finished the race. So
Bhai, according to me, I think Lance Stroll had a very personal best performance.
I can't believe he's still in F1. It's just पैसा है ना भाई बाप के.
Nah, I'm waiting for the moment where Lawrence Stroll is भाई बहुत हो गया तेरा, निकल तू.
Go to tennis.
I feel if that was going to happen, it would have happened already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
मेरे को लग रहा है कि उसने इतना ज्यादा पैसा डाल दिया ना एस्टन मार्टिन पे, एक टाइम के बाद तेरा बाप भी बोलेगा भाई बस भाई, लाइक मैं बिलियनर से मिलियनर पे आ जाऊंगा भाई अब तो.
तेरे हिसाब से क्या था?
He said no, Lance Stroll.
Lance Stroll bro, like 100% best driver.
Did he finish in points? No, no.
Nah, he did exactly bro. He got 6th or 7th. Aston Martin काफी ऊपर आया उसकी वजह से.
Oh.
तो that's why भाई personal best.
Acha. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I agree then.
So भाई, to end the podcast, what are your driver predictions and your constructor predictions for this season 2025?
I really want Lando to win. I would predict him that Lando wins. I think Verstappen will still be P2. I don't think any Merc driver, any Ferrari driver is overtaking Verstappen. In constructors, I think McLaren will come first, and I think Merc or Ferrari will come second. My money's on Merc coming second though. I don't think Red Bull's gonna come in top 3
That's
in constructors because Lawson's gonna hold them back.
Okay.
McLaren, Ferrari, Merc. And drivers, Verstappen.
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 Yeah,
Yes.
even I think so.
Because I think we are forgetting how good he is in any car.
But I think you're forgetting how good McLaren car is this year.
But
Agreed.
I don't see Lando being that asshole that he needs to be to win. Like you see, like historically, every driver who has won that season, they have been a really big asshole. You see even
Vettel.
Lewis. You see Vettel, Lewis, all of them in their prime, they didn't give a shit about anything. And that is how Max is. That is how Lewis was. That is how every champion has been. You go back to Schumacher, you go back to any driver before that.
Okay, so Verstappen winning, and then McLaren, Ferrari, and
Merc.
Okay.
I think it's going to be very interesting between Lando and Verstappen. But the thing is that I think that Verstappen's going to take it. मैं तो personally यही सोचता हूँ. I agree with him in that sense. I just think so highly of Verstappen, so I think he can do it. For constructors, I think it's probably going to be McLaren. Like for number
Constructors,
one.
McLaren's like
Yeah,
easy
because they have two very good drivers.
And a very good car.
I
Yeah.
feel Oscar में वो है.
Yeah,
that,
Oscar- even
that
I-
race.
yeah.
I feel Oscar has it. Piastri has it.
I agree. I agree. I have seen him like race and he actually has that harami-pun. But Lando needs to get it. I don't know why it's not happened till now.
So by
That's
to
why.
end the podcast, my last final predictions for me is McLaren and Verstappen. Nahi, Lando.
Lando.
Lando for sure. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.